My dear friends, hope all of you are doing great. Let's learn how to hatch any area. For example, this is a rectangle and we want to hatch this area. To do that, type a command H and then press enter. So pick internal point. I want to hatch inside this rectangle, so my internal picking point will be here. So my hatching is done. So now you can scale this hatching as per your requirement. Suppose you want to increase the space between the lines, so you can do it by selecting this hatch and then right click and then click properties and increase the scale like 5, then press enter. See, the spacing of hatch has been increased. Or you can use different kind of hatching style like this one, or you can follow this one, or if you want to remove this hatch, just simply select this hatch and press delete. It will be deleted from your area. That's how you can use the hatch in AutoCAD. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. And if you're still not subscribed in my channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends if you find it useful. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.